Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a delicious recipe that everyone loves. Eggplant with eggs cooked over embers. I used 3 eggplants, but you can adjust the quantity of eggplants and eggs according to the number of people. As you can see in the video, let's remove the green stems. Let's poke a few holes in them and roast the eggplants over embers. I roasted them in an electric roaster. This method gives a wonderful smoky flavor. Place them in a bowl to make peeling easier. Cover and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then carefully peel the skins without damaging their shape. As shown in the video, gently flatten them slightly with a fork. Take 2 eggs in a wide bowl. Add half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Beat well with a fork or whisk. Then coat the eggplants thoroughly with the egg mixture on both sides. Heat about half a teacup of oil in a pan. Place the egg-coated eggplants in the pan and fry over medium heat, flipping both sides. I placed them on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Transfer the eggplants to a serving plate. Garnish with some chopped parsley. This recipe ranks second worldwide among egg-based recipes. It's incredibly delicious. I hope you try it and enjoy it too. If you liked the video, you can support me with your likes, comments and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.